Hello everyone, welcome to AAPS Tutorials. Today we are going to dive into a practical lecture of anchor tag in HTML. Here is the required output on the browser. We are going to code something which will produce this output on the browser screen. So let's get started with our editor. Here is a pre-written code for demonstrating each of the image tag in the HTML. Let's understand each one of these lines one by one. In the last lecture, we have already learned that the anchor tag is used to insert the links on the web page. In this code, I have inserted 4 links that takes the user to different locations. In the first anchor tag, the hyperlinked text "click here" will be displayed on the screen. When the user clicks on the hyperlink, the anchor tag will take the user to the blog website appstutorials.blogspot.com. I have also mentioned the target attribute, which here specifies that the website will be opened in a new tab on the browser screen. In the second anchor tag, the image will act as the hyperlink which will take the user to the website appstutorials.blogspot.com. The image tag will be declared between the opening and closing anchor tag to make it a hyperlinked media which will take the users to another website. In the third anchor tag, we have created an email hyperlink using the anchor tag. The mail to attribute is used to tell the browser that the given link is to be opened in an email, software or website. The send mail text will act as the hyperlink that will take the users to the email compose option on the linked mail ID. The last anchor tag links the hypertext to a phone number. If you have ever searched for a phone number on Google and clicked on the number, it would have been opened in your phone call software. Have you ever wondered how does this happen? This happens using the tell attribute in the anchor tag. This will link the phone number in the hyperlinked text. When you click on the hyperlinked text, the browser will open the link in your software used for making phone calls. So here our code is complete and it's the time to see the output. Here is the output of our code on the browser screen. I hope you have enjoyed coding along with me and learned to build the basic structure of the web page. In the next video, we will learn coding of the multimedia tags in HTML. Thank you. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with all our recent videos.